Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of tech. Over today in this video I'm just gonna fix the error speaker of my iPhone device which is not working, and you will need these stuffs. As you can see, I'm just gonna use the acetone, or you can use the alcohol installed of acetone if you don't have it. You can see my speaker just got a lot of dust in it. I just want to clear that now here on this video. So if you just want to clear that, you're going to open the YouTube to have a vibration sound just on your iPhone device, and you can check any of them. So let's go ahead to start the clearing of my iPhone device's error speaker. As you can see, it has been cleared without scratch, and it works 100% for my iPhone device, and I can hear the voices very well after doing this. And you can use this method to clear your iPhone device error speaker. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.